Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Djibouti. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular every day, no doubt, with more and more countries offering it because of its ease of convenience and the way it bolsters um, tourism and economy. So now it's good that the government of Djibouti has also started this. This is an East African country. So you can see that I have opened this official page, and by default it opens in French because French is their national language, but we can switch to English. Okay. So very first thing is like you would like to know that what are the cost associated with it, how long you can stay, so that you can get an FAQ. If you need a transit from between 1 to 14 days, it costs 12, and short stay from 15 to 90, it costs 23 days. Validity of your e-visa, you can see it begins when you enter, and then it's going to be mentioned that how long it's you can stay. Okay, now who can request this e-visa? Any person who is wishing to travel to is eligible for e-visa as long as the reason for travel is family, tourist, or business. Okay. All right. So now let's go through the process. So suppose you are coming here for the first time, and you can go through more FAQ. It may take up to 72 hours. So you can, in general cases, it may even take longer. So you want to apply, you want to click on make a new request. Now, a few questions it has asked. Are you a holder of a diplomatic service passport holder? You can come within the framework agreement or program with this. And they have also specified that how long like this e-visa platform is gonna take applications for transit and short stay visa. So that is like less than 90 because 1 to 14 transit and 15 to 19 short stay or tourist visa, whatever you say. All right, so now here what we have got, first thing is they have asked for passport. So I'm going to put a sample information issued by, so I'm going to put yeah, it's actually coming in French, so you got to be patient. Passport issue date, expiry date, travel and reason inform. So tourism I am doing, date of arrival. So we are in March, so I'm gonna give April 8. Date of departure, I'm gonna give April 29. Okay, 3 weeks, that's okay. All right, mandatory fields are required. Click on next. Then it's asking for personal information. Name, fill in your name, fill in your first name. So first name, I'm just example John. This is in French, so you got to be very careful and you should have patience also. And you can check your passport for this piece of information. Birth date, birth country. You can see a lot of things are coming in French. Marital status, single. Birthplace, again check your passport. What is written there? Current nationality. Professional nationality or origin. Further information. Okay. So we have gone to the third tab. Residential address. So I'm just going to put some sample. City of residence. City of residence. Oh. Origin country of application. Telephone sample, guys. Email address. Country visited during past 3 years. So this is not a required field, so I'm leaving it. But if you have, why not to provide that information? Okay. Now they have asked for information, and in the next page it's gonna be like your submission where you'll pay the fee. So here they have asked the address that you're gonna be staying, and they have asked for the documents, your photo, passport, ticket reservation, hotel booking, or invitation letter. And for photo they have also specified specification and size. Make sure you meet that. So you got the idea, and once it is approved, it's gonna be sent to your email that you have entered before. So that's how simple it is, guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.